Who is this second-year undrafted corner that has beat writers in Minnesota losing their mind? This is Dwight McGlothern, and despite going undrafted in 2024, he's making his case to be an NFL difference maker. Dwight is a 6'2" corner out of Arkansas, and he's had his back against the ropes the entirety of his short career, constantly needing to prove his value to an NFL team, and he's done just that. Dwight made the initial 53-man roster last season, but after only playing 20 total snaps in 5 games last year, nothing was guaranteed heading into the offseason. Dwight needed to make a statement in camp, and he's done exactly that, coming down with an interception in 3 straight days at practice, leaving fans and reporters in disbelief. His long frame gives him the ability to be great at the point of attack, and mix that with his ball skills, you got a special player. McGlothern is doing everything in his power to make the roster again this season, and I'd say it's going exactly as planned up to this point.